Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This tutorial is showing you how I've gone through a logo development and the process I've taken to create a logo for a client. The first was started by opening Illustrator after I've done some sketches and started to vectorize some images. So the idea is nap well-being, which is necessary adult peace sessions. So it's naps, but it was originally nap NAP, so I've decided to create an N that encompasses an A, a P, and so the N was like the icon image, and by creating this it can be used as an icon for an app or for even for anything really, or even logo for a t-shirt or design for business cards and stuff like that. So first I started by importing a sketch, creating a new layer, then petering at the pen tool and tracing it, using the anchor points, trying to keep them straight to bring the curves to a good level. Once you trace this image or an image that you created, you move on to the next step, which is defining the points. So from this, I've used A to bring up the direct selection tool and adjust the points. You can also press Command comma to bring up the grid so you can see what you're working on. To unite the separate lines, once you've created the graphic, you can go to the Pathfinder tool and click Unite. I've then imported a previous graphic that I helped work on. Takes a while. Then adjusted the positioning. And from this, you go to, because we don't want the nap well-being anymore on this, we image trace expand, select the area we don't want, delete away, increase the icon. Select the graphic, once we've isolated it, and place it onto the graphic below. Then use the text tool to create what the brand stands for. And select your font. Those are fonts I've previously created. This is one that is stock font, which is useful. Adjust the size. Select the font. Use the direct selection tool. Adjust it into place. Then once I've done that, I've moved on to variants I've created using the same principle. What I've also done is I've used the image trace to adjust the text and then add a stroke and a fill to it to give it that glow look as in the previous sketches. But I don't like the way the bars look on the previous image, so what I've done is I've created a rectangle, copied it, placed it, and then create the third rectangle and adjusted the width of the image. And R to rotated this. Use the pen tool to create stirrups, and then added these to the points. Once I've done this, I've then gone on to unite them once again to get a more clearer image.